I will show you now how you can set up this automatic watering system for your garden. So all you have to do, of course, you need to install the batteries on the back. When you turn it on, just set the right time, and when you want to program it, let's say, so you click set, hold it for a few seconds until the program starts flashing. You choose the program. I will use the program 2. You click set again to set the time when you want the watering to start. Okay, I will choose 13 o'clock and 10 minutes. And on the last step here, you need to set for how long do you want it to work. We'll go this time for 1 minute. And here it must be set to on. And you click the turn on and off button. Now here it is. So in 2 minutes it will start working for 1 minute. Okay, so now it should start any second. As you can see, I have used an old hose. Of course, there are professional hoses for this type of job. I have cut the hose at where each tree is located. Okay, you can see it working now. And it will stop in 1 minute. You can see that each tree is getting water. And now it should stop any moment. Okay, it stopped. That's it. And it will continue the same time tomorrow for the same amount of time that I have set here.